Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 5, Python Loops, for and while. Loops are used to repeat a block of code multiple times. They help reduce repetitive code and make programs more efficient. In Python, we mainly use for loops and while loops. The for loop is used to iterate over a sequence, such as a list, tuple, or string. The syntax is for variable in sequence, followed by a colon. The range function is commonly used with for loops. It generates a sequence of numbers from a starting value up to, but not including, the stop value. The while loop runs a block of code repeatedly as long as the given condition remains true. Always ensure the condition eventually becomes false to prevent infinite loops. Python provides control statements like break, continue, and pass. Break exits the loop immediately. Continue skips the current iteration. And pass does nothing but allows syntax correctness. This diagram shows 5 main steps of a loop process. Start, check condition, execute body, update variable, and end the loop. Here is an example of a while loop that prints hello 3 times. When this program runs, it prints hello 1, 2, and 3 before the condition becomes false. This example prints iteration numbers from 0 to 4 using a for loop with the range function. The output of example 1, simple for loop is as follows. Iteration O, iteration 1, iteration 2, iteration 3, iteration 4. This for loop iterates through each character in the string Python and prints them one by one. The output of example 2, iterating through a string is as follows. Python. This while loop runs as long as the count variable is less than or equal to 5. The variable increases each time to avoid an infinite loop. The output of example 3, while loop example is as follows. Count is 1, count is 2, count is 3, count is 4, count is 5. This example demonstrates break and continue statements. Continue skips when I equals 3, and break stops the loop when I equals 5. The output of example 4, break and continue is as follows. 1, 2, 4. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding of loops. Exercise 1. Write a program to print numbers from 1 to 10 using a for loop. Use for I in range 1 to 11 and print each number inside the loop. Exercise 2. Write a program to calculate the sum of the first 10 natural numbers using a while loop. Initialize a counter and a sum variable, then loop until the counter exceeds 10 while accumulating the sum. Exercise 3. Print all even numbers between 1 and 20 using a for loop. Use range with a step of 2 starting from 2 or check each number with the modulus operator and print when the remainder is 0. Exercise 4. Use a while loop to print numbers from 10 down to 1. Initialize the variable at 10 and decrement it each iteration until it becomes less than 1. Exercise 5. Write a program that stops printing numbers when it reaches 7 using the break. Statement. Loop through numbers and use an if statement to break out of the loop when the current number equals 7. Thank you for watching episode 5. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series, where we'll explore Python functions,